Welcome to the course of Android Continuous Integration with Docker and Jenkins. My name is Jing Li. I am a diligent open source contributor and a full-stack software engineer with a strong sense of curiosity. In the day at work, I am also an engineering lead with over a decade of experience in working on multinational environment. What are we going to talk about in this course? Here is the overview. There are in total 4 sections including 25 videos with over 5 hours contents. The first section will start with the common problems for Android CI and explain why we will choose Docker. Then in section 2, we will deep dive into Docker knowledge and best practices to help you master Docker from zero to hero. Afterwards, in section 3, we will apply our learning to assemble the Android build environment piece by piece and construct a complete solution. Finally, in section 4, we're going to configure Jenkins to work with our Android's SDK container in order to build a fast and stable CI system. Sounds great. But what about the system and hardware requirements? Regarding operating system, you would need a macOS or a Linux. In terms of hardware, in short, it should be capable of running Docker desktop application. In details, at the time of recording, the listed CPU architectures here are supported, and ideally, RAM over 8 GB is preferred as we need to run Android emulator later on. Last, if you use Mac, the hardware must be a 2010 or newer model, with Intel's hardware support for memory management unit virtualization, including extended page tables and unrestricted mode. That's all. Get yourself ready and let's go.